Welcome back to the channel. This video is all about sentences and various types of sentences. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. For example, she is going to school. What's your name? Let's know the different types of sentences. In general, there are 4 types of sentences. Those are declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory sentence. First of all, what is declarative sentence? The sentence which are used to state facts or express opinions. This type of sentence ends with a full stop. For example, the sky is blue. She is playing badminton. I wake up early in the morning. Next one is, what is interrogative sentence? The sentence which are used to ask a question. This type of sentence ends with a question mark. For example, where are you going? Did you finish your homework? What are you doing? Now, what is imperative sentence? The sentence which are used to give orders, requests, advice, or instructions. This type of sentence ends with a full stop. For example, please open the window, sit down, may God bless you. The last one is exclamatory sentence. The sentence which are used to express emotions such as surprise, joy, anger, sorrow. This type of sentence ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a beautiful day. Oh no, I forgot my bag. Hoorah, we won the match. So now let's see what are the types of sentences based on structure. There are 3 types of sentences. Those are simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Simple sentences. These type of sentences have only one independent clause. For example, she reads a book. The sun rises in the east. Radhika is working hard. Compound sentences. These type of sentences have 2 or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. For example, she likes tea and he prefers coffee. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. They study hard so they get good grades. So that's it, learners. I hope you now have a clear and full understanding of conditionals. Make sure to practice by creating your own examples in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy grammar lessons. See you in the next video.